2,
1, action.
Oh, Clara, how do I look?
Mary, you'll be fine. You look stunning. It doesn't show that much.
Yeah, but I wonder what Daddy will say.
He won't care. He loves you as a whole package.
Thank you. I'm sort of scared but excited to go.
I know.
Yeah.
I feel that way too. But Daddy's waiting for us, so it'll be fine.
Real.
Hello, my name's Noreen, and I'm your hair hostess for today. And oh, you must be Mary, and you must be Clara.
Yeah.
It's lovely to meet you. Are you looking forward to going to England?
Yes, Daddy's waiting for us.
Yeah.
Oh, you have a daddy, do you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's wonderful. Yes. So you'll have to wear shoes and socks and dresses and coats and things. And I suppose where you came from, maybe you wore grass skirts or something?
No.
Did you have clothes?
We had dresses.
We had clothes.
We had clothes.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. Anyway, oh, what happened to your face?
I burnt it.
Oh,
using
how did you burn it?
The comb, the hot curly, to curl my hair. I was curling my hair. Didn't I, Clara?
Yes.
What in God's name is that?
What?
What is it? It's a weapon.
No.
Oh, no.
I'm afraid you won't be able to enter onto the plane with that thing. You'll have to hand it over to me.
You cannot confiscate it. It's a present given to her.
No.
Come on.
No, I want to take it with me.
It's a Daddy's present.
Do you want to go to England and have a better life or not?
Just give it, Mary.
Give it to me, Mary.
Mary, let's get out of here.
Trying to kill me. It's all.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. Thank you very much. Woo!